I got a call from a lady to service her oil-fired furnace. I've been there in the past, and you know, just an annual to check it, make sure it's running okay, and make sure that there's no issues with it. With a furnace, you have to be careful because it gets full of soot. You really can't get the soot out of it because it's like a can inside of a can. So you don't really want to let it get full of soot. They're really hard to clean. A boiler you could clean a lot better than you can a furnace. So try telling. Furnace don't run as much as a boiler because a boiler will run for hot water. A furnace won't run for hot water, so they'll only run in, you know, when it's cold. So a furnace you probably do every year and a half. A boiler you should do every year because the furnace doesn't have as much, doesn't run as much. It doesn't run to keep for hot water, to make hot water. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. I know who the lady is. She needed a new oil tank a few years back. I gave her a price. She had someone else do it, which is fine with me. I mean, as long as the oil tank gets changed and it don't blow all over the place. I mean, I'm not the cheapest guy when it comes to changing oil tanks. It's a lot of work for one guy. I really don't like replacing oil tanks. It's just a lot of work. Yeah, it's been a couple of years since I've been here. I had put a new tank in here recently, so I'll let the washing machine's running. Overhead line, I'll have to pull it. F4 and F1, them are the two most common filters. This has been a couple of years, so we're gonna definitely change this. Don't look too bad, but we're gonna change it when I'm here. When I'm here, we're changing it once I open it. That's it. Doesn't look good though. If I can bleed it. A furnace don't run as much as a boiler because it only runs in the winter, right? So a furnace don't need as much service as a boiler does. It doesn't run as much. Filter's good. Filter's fine. filter's fine. This one's been a little 60 degree. I've been running a little 60 in here. a little 60 now. I've been running in here. Oh, ready. Sixty, 80 degree. Small nozzle. $70, 80 degrees fine. I like running the smaller nozzle in the furnace. I don't soot. We're gonna have to bleed the oil line good too, right? Furnace, we could jump it out right here. TT. When I turn it on, it should run. I'll get my bucket here. Got a new piece of tube in here. This shit just gets hot after a while. Once I started, I gotta hit this button. Then I should be able to open this bleeder. This in. That should be on purge mode. Don't forget I left air inside that thing. I left air inside the filter. You see all the air coming out. It's kinda, I might have to do it a couple of times to get a good stream. Here we go. Here comes the air now that I left in the unit. Yeah, see? It tripped off on safety. And try it again. It should be okay this time. Let's start it up. Get the air out. It's on purge mode now. Push the button in. She went off on safety again. Well, she tripped off on safety again. Guess there's still air in there. It's off on high lockout. I'm gonna give it a good. Put it on purge mode now. Make sure I get a good. I'm getting a good thing of oil there. Give it a little bit more air. We're going to give it a little bit more air. Try that with a little bit more air. Something's up with that nozzle. I'm going to try something different. That nozzle's not working. CAD cell's okay. I'm going to try a different nozzle. Try a different nozzle. That was a 60° 70. I had a 60° 80 in there before. I'll go with a 60° 80. We'll try that one. That's a solid nozzle. That's the one I had 60° 70. I'm going to try a 60° 80. How many times you go? Let's see if it stays on now. That one did seem to be surging a little bit. We'll try that, see what happens. I might have to cut the air band. I still have it so I can adjust it. Air band, so I can adjust it.
Just in the air band, so it's nothing crazy, but it should be better there. See if it stays on. Seems to be running better there.
Sometimes you gotta put different nozzles in there, just how it is. Alright, new filter at tank, new nozzle, little oil line, good draft over fire, zero smoke. The filter's good. No leaks, that's good.